If your windshield still looks dirty no matter how much glass cleaner you use, this is probably why. That greasy film is baked on interior off-gassing, and regular glass cleaner usually won't touch it. All I'm using is Adam's Brilliant Glaze, a microfiber applicator, and an FTW towel from the rag company. Simple setup, but this combination works ridiculously well. The process really couldn't be easier. Shake up the glaze, put a couple of drops into the applicator, then butterfly the applicator, then go to the windshield and draw a square or a rectangle and then fill it in. What makes this work so well is the light abrasives and solvents that the Brilliant Glaze has. It breaks down that stubborn film way faster than standard glass cleaner. Make sure you get into the corners and all the edges of the windshield, and this applicator is great for that. The Brilliant Glaze will haze up really fast, and so once you've done filling the square in, you can almost immediately wipe it. Grab your FTW towel, fold it into fours, and quickly wipe this off. It should take very little effort. A few wipes and you'll notice a very clear surface. Because I just did a little test section on the right, you can definitely see the haze is gone. Now with the camera zoomed in, I'll go to the left and you can still see the haze, and you can see how clear it is on the right side. So huge result here. On the right side, no haze. On the left, still looks pretty bad. That's gonna do it for this video. Hope you enjoyed this and you got something out of it. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. Thanks, and see you on the next one.